I hope you're excited about learning and you've been watching all the videos, leaving your comments. If not, please get back, leave your comments. Very important for me to know that you are following what I'm trying to teach you here. All right. In this video, I wanted to cover an example of how you would be learning it. Right. So let's take a very simple thing. I'm not assuming that you know any bit of chess. So I'm going to start with how a rook moves. Okay, and this is Lichess, and it basically starts off with a simple idea of, in fact, showing you how the rook moves. Right, the rook is a piece on the chessboard which moves straight, as in up, down, left, right. And how Lichess and the course that I'm going to be covering in the primer course is going to be different is that you would be learning by actually doing it. So for example, you would need to click on this rook and then try and capture the star, which you could either move or click on it and click on the star, and you've captured it, and you get a 3-star for that. Now again, there's a helper mode here, so basically it's going to help you move to the first star and then eventually capture the second star. Now it becomes a little bit more challenging. So here I would like you to pause the video. Having learned how the rook moves, can you capture all 3 stars using the rook and get a 3-star solution? Okay, pause the video and try to do it yourself. You have your Lichess account, go in there and try and do the third puzzle, the third challenge under rook. Okay, welcome back, and I hope you did try it. If not, please pause the video, go back and do try doing it. And here's the solution for it. The wrong solution would be to capture the one on the right, because now you would be left with an impossible decision. If you capture this, then you would need 2 moves to capture this one back, which means you would get only 2 stars. Going back, the best solution here though is to first capture the one on the left, then the one on the right, and then one below, which gives you a 3-star solution. Okay, so this is how you would be solving every single challenge that comes your way, and we would be covering a huge number of concepts, and each one of them would be a puzzle or a challenge that you need to think and solve and apply your concepts. So learning how the rook moves, extremely easy, but internalizing it and making it intuitive, as in it becomes second nature for you to think in the pattern of how the rook moves, that takes time, and that takes solving these puzzles, playing many games of chess. And that's where the element of practice makes perfect comes in. All right, so this is what is in store for you in the primer course. Now let's go and see what's in store in our challenge course. Now when you look at practice, you have this thing called checkmate patterns. All right, and here you would learn a concept called check, which is essentially attacking the king. So here the idea is for white to checkmate the black king. All right, if you do not know what checkmate means or do not know what check means, you can skip this here and just move on, and all you need to do is leave your comments whether you were able to solve the rook puzzle. But if you'd like to try it, pause the video here and give it a shot. This is back rank mate under checkmate pattern 1, if you could do this. All right, so pause the video and give it a shot. All right, welcome back. This is a very simple puzzle. All you need to do is just move the rook 1 step forward, give a check, and you're done. That is all that you need to do. And this is what we would be covering in the challenge course. In fact, a lot many more such challenges, right? And to give you a brief idea, we're going to be using an interactive mode where I'm going to be stopping you at every puzzle, giving you the overview that you need in order to solve the puzzle, but then you need to solve it. You can of course skip and just watch the entire video, but that's not going to be helping you with any skill development whatsoever. But if you really want to master the skill, then you'd be better off following it step by step, and that's what is in store in the courses to come. Okay, do you like the idea of this? Are you keen to learn and get better at it? Please leave your comments stating that you are keen to learn chess and you're eager to finish both the primer and the challenge course. All right. I think that pretty much covers, the overview of what we're going to be doing. The next step is to go into the last bit of what we will be doing, which is the training part. So I'll be introducing you to the ChessKit platform. So see you in the next video. Thank you.